Now get that sign in the background. Go between those two cars there. Go between them two cars over there in that parking spot. Oh, did you put the ice cream in the cooler? Along with the other thing? What else did you put in there? Go over there so you can get the sign in the background.
I'm too
Stand
scared.
right here. Don't be a chicken. The sign's right there. Just put it in the background so you can see.
I'm trying. I don't know. I think you guys can see it now. It's hard to tell.
Did you see the sign over there?
I can't see it. I'm just having a hard time getting it in.
You want me to hold the camera?
Sure.
Okay, is you in there? How come your face is really red? Oh, okay. I see it now.
I can't.
Are you sick? Well, the sun's that way. Don't look in it.
I'm not, but my eyes
Get in the car.
are burning.
Take the phone.
Okay.
Hiccup. Hiccup more.
I'm trying.
Your fans want more videos.
I'm trying.
Don't cry.
I'm trying, I said.
Oh, it sounds like you said you're crying.
I just hiccuped during.
Hiccup.
Okay, shut the door.
Hiccup.
Shut the door. Sorry. Ow.
You okay?
Yeah, you should have.
I'm sorry. I didn't
warned
realize
me
your
then.
back. I didn't realize your feet were there. You know I got to put the seat back. I really didn't realize. Sorry. Is that what I hit your feet?
Yes.
Well, I'm sorry. I
Ow.
didn't know. You know I got to put the seat back. You okay?
Yeah.
You were there to put the seat back. What is that noise?
I don't know.
Is it going? Yeah. Look, you got $3,000. Pop the hood. How does it pop? How does it fucking pop?
There's a wax under there somewhere.
There's no fucking wax.
There is too.
Well, it shouldn't make that noise. How long have they been doing that?
It started after the oil change.
Well, you should have called them up. They screwed something up.
I meant to and I forgot. I'll do it tomorrow.
Did he just swear in a video?
I probably forgot you had a video going.
Yeah, probably did because he was so mad at, and also he's filming, and also he
And then move that loud.
Belt cover or something.
Huh?
I thought there used to be a belt cover. Right? Your belt's exposed before?
No.
Well, put the window up.
Ow, my ears. Okay, finally, it's quiet. That hurts my ears. My dears. OMG. I probably should have cut the camera, but I still got hiccups. Does it look like I'm crying? I can't tell. My eyes are burning though. I'm trying to face this way since my eyes are burning. But I was trying to close that window over there. And then Dad pulled the seat back, like when my feet were not in the right position, and that hurt it. But my feet are fine. But that what happened. My eyes are burning for some reason. I don't know why.
Probably should video that noise too.
It's on this hiccup video.
It's not the same. She could have videoed it from outside the car.
True.
My goodness, if I couldn't make that kind of noise. I don't know what they did to it.
Just make sure not to say the name. Remember, I'm recording.
But yeah, if it's making that noise, you just said something.
Well, it wasn't making it all the time. Just every now and then I would hear it.
As soon as you made it, you should have said, why is my car making a noise now? It never did before. And they obviously left some kind of cover off. I've never seen your belts like that before.
Yeah.
They must have fucking stole it from themselves. We need to look in the engine of other cars like yours and see if it. I don't remember seeing that the day I checked your oil.
Right.
There's some,
Yeah.
they're not gonna have it now. Like this was on here. The other guy's the only one that serviced this car. AC. It's like $3 grand or 4. All right, hold on. That saved us some money. Couldn't get no sweatpants. You doing okay back there, sweetie?
Yeah.
Yeah, I would definitely call him. Yeah, I remember, I don't remember seeing them belts when I checked your oil. So there's a cover missing. And how could they forget to put it on? Because they were too lazy or forgot. That's why you should be allowed in the garage. You shouldn't have to take pictures of your car before and after they work on it either. There's probably something else loose in there. And then it's going to come off and it can shear something and they're going to blame you for that. You know, you're supposed to check your car after we work on it. So apparently somebody there is not competent. You had more hiccups than you thought you did, didn't you?
Yep.
I thought you was only going to hiccup for like a minute.
Yeah, now I'm in 7 minutes.
That long?
Yeah.
Oh,
I wish I started in the store, but that would have been embarrassing.
Well, you should have for your... Some people like your hiccup videos.
I know, but since I was in public, it's embarrassing.
You could have let you go outside with Mama. Mama was
Well,
in a hurry to get out
you
there
guys
anyway.
didn't say anything. And I didn't think about that, but that's what I wanted.
Like
but
I thought I was being serious at first. I'm like, if I don't go through, I think I'm running. He just kind of looked at me. What kind of car is that? A what? Oh, it's a Hyundai, isn't it? Or some kind. What's it called? Velocity.
Yeah.
I can. That's a newer car. Not a bad looking little car. I think I almost like that better than those other cars. But that's lower profile. I kind of like the Chevy Sparks because they're a little. Look at this guy. He knows. He didn't even have the radio when he pulled out in front of me going slow.
And also I've like yawned 4 times in this video.
Yawned? You're making a yawny video. Like, here's my yawn video. Yawn video. She didn't have smartphones when she was younger. She could have been making hiccup videos since she was 2.
Yeah.
Who'd have ever thought, right?
Yeah.
But we didn't got good phones back then.
We didn't have ice cream and milk, you'd drive down to the beach. We won't have to get out. That's where we should have went to eat.
The beach?
Yeah, that snack thing is probably only open on the weekends. I don't know if it's open. It might be open during the week, but I don't know. I wish we knew the name of it. See what the hours were. Probably the Beach Cafe. Mama could have got French fries. I could have got a greasy burger.
I don't know what
Sarah
they
could have
have.
a greasy burger, French fries.
Yep. Maybe chicken nuggies.
That's what they have for me. You want to shut the alarm off for you and again?
I'm typing something.
And Dad doesn't got his phone since I'm using it. time that worked.
She's cutting out. How many hiccups
I think
got
you
left in there? None?
I don't know, but I think you jinxed it. I made it 10 minutes at least. Let's see if I got
don't think
more.
anything to do with me. I think it's hitting these bumps.
I still got it. Oh,
I think hitting these bumps probably jinxed you.
yeah.
These God bless them wonderful drivers on the road.
I still have them. But I'm at 10 minutes so far.
She got one video, it's almost 20 minutes. 17 for sure. And she even missed a minute or two of them.
But then I brought them right back.
Huh? I can't hear you.
No, I don't even know what I said. Did I bring them right back after like 2 minutes?
The car's almost out of gas. You know that. As long as you know, we're on a quarter. We're on nickel, a nickel tank. Maybe a dime. For sure a quarter. Oh. It's not warm in here. It's not warm outside.
Yes.
Honestly, I know it's 4 o'clock, but if there's any time to swim, it's probably still cold at the bottom of that pool, ain't it?
I'm
But if it's
getting
going to rain for
tired.
the next 4 days, I don't know if it is, I'm just guessing. And we're out of chlorine pack. So it's not even been, what, 3 weeks? Huh?
I don't think that it's gonna rain.
And I had it on low too. I think that's low. Pretty sure that's low. Maybe that's high. I'll have to check it. Maybe the higher number was low. The thing's floating. So. Thank you for a like, share, subscribe, and some more hiccups.
I'm not done.
Okay. I'm just checking.
I'm in 12 minutes.
It never hurts to say. It never hurts to do that. You know, like sometimes they're like, "Thank you for a big share."
But then some people
punch that
leave.
like button. Huh?
Some people stay, but then some people leave when they hear that.
Well, they might, but just say, "Look, this is a mid-video. This is a mid-video update." Because Mama's gonna have to turn the alarm off. Or do you want me to do it?
You can't. I got your phone.
No, I got the code that can go inside.
Oh.
Alright, I found their website. I'm texting them. I have their emails and stuff. It was on July the 10th for an oil change, and the next day, noise started.
And it looks like the belt cover's missing.
We looked at it, and it's missing the cover for the belts. Call me so we can talk about this.
And I would, call them tomorrow too. They'll probably ask you to come up, but we ain't got time to do it tomorrow unless you change your speech appointment.
I forgot that I got speech tomorrow.
Now, give me just 1 second.
I wish I changed my sleep schedule.
Unlock.
Mom, you probably don't want to say all of this while I'm recording.
Yeah, right. That's what I'm saying. Certain things you shouldn't say.
Yeah. Mom. We're 14 minutes in. Yay. Win.
You might have to get outside.
I got my coat.
Alright, well, you work on your video.
I will.
Go outside and get some sunlight.
No.
Yeah, for a second.
Fine.
Do you want the window cracked at all?
Hopefully I don't lose my hiccups from the sun.
Well, because we got to get to the back of the car, so you got to get out of the way.
Okay.
Go stand on the porch.
I'm going. Can I go inside?
No, the door's locked.
Oh.
Nobody's opening it. Go over there outside. Put some fresh air away in the video.
I'm standing here.
Frog. Looks like a frog.
I want you to get some fresh air.
I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. I can stand by the door.
No fresh air out here in the sunlight. That grasshopper is the same one.
Let me see.
There was a grasshopper on the front
That's
of the
the.
car. And it looks like it rode back here. you.
I didn't say he's gonna hurt me. I said don't let him in there so he won't die.
Well, Sarah, leave that grasshopper alone.
I'm trying to show it to the camera. I don't know if they can see it.
What's your middle name, Hiccup?
I think so.
I'll be back. Leave
I
that
don't
trunk
know if
alone.
they can see it.
That's fine. Well, I want you to keep recording out here.
Fine.
Make a nature hiccup video. Stand by the tree.
No, that's where the muskbats are. I don't care.
Get out the way. I gotta get stuff out of the car. Go by the tree. Please.
No, a bee just stormed.
Oh, there's no bee. They don't even stink. Go stand over here in nature. Look,
No, I'm standing right
come
here.
stand by this tree real quick. Put the tree in the background. Please. There's no bees over there. Just put the tree in the background. That way it looks like a nature video.
You don't. Okay, there. The sun.
Pretty soon it's gonna be snowing out here.
No, it's not.
Is it in the background? You
Yeah.
still got hiccups?
I don't know. I'm really breathing.
Alright, come inside.
Thank you.
At least you got the tree in the background.
And also, I showed the tree without me for
That's
one
right.
second.
Keep the video up so they don't see the junk you got in the garage.
I am. I'm putting it at the ceiling, you know.
Close the garage strong door. Now, how would you? Yeah, at least that door. You're worried about bugs and you left the entire outside door open? Yeah, okay.
Do I got any more hiccups? I don't think I got any more hiccups. Well, I hope, like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you, Cotton Candy Kid, next time. Bye.